Hey everyone, Dan here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to download any videos on any website. So usually people using this technique for downloading free movies, and usually people want to watch free movies on the website but they want to download the movies, but unfortunately there's no download button. And here's the technique. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the website that you want to download it, and so this eStream.2 website, I'm gonna watch Tokyo Ghoul, and unfortunately as you can see there's no download button. And what you're going to do, you're going to press right click, not on the video but outside of the video, and right click. Sorry, there's an ad. There's always an ad at this kind of website. So you're gonna press right click, and as you can see there's view page source, and you're gonna press it. As you can see now you have to find the video file, and I know this is gonna be like tripping your mind, and that's why you're gonna go press CTRL plus F, and as you can see there's like a search bar, and you're gonna put .mp4 and press enter, and as you can see there's gonna highlight the word that you just searched, and as you can see there's like two links right here, but you're gonna do press one link, and after you press the link, it's gonna automatically download the video. And as you can see v.mp4, there's the video right here. So yeah, I have tried this technique before, and it has actually worked. And yeah, so you're gonna wait like 1 hour because this is a movie, so you have to wait a little bit long. And yeah, after it's done downloading, and you need to check if there is the video. And yeah, this 100% work, but not this actually not for all of the website. Some of the website like YouTube, I tried it before but it doesn't work. So yeah, some of the website it doesn't work. I don't know how, but yeah, I'm sure 100% of it, some of the website will work if you use this technique. Yeah, so I hope this video helped you guys. If it helped it, then click that like button, and if you guys want more videos by my channel, then how about click that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. And if you guys want to know when they upload my video, then press that notification button, and I guess I will see you guys later. Bye guys.